Okay, if you face this any kind of problem like MySQL shutdown unexpectedly error and your MySQL doesn't start, then here is the simple solution. Let's follow along. So go to your XAMPP folder on your local C drive, then look for MySQL, then look for data. So simply copy this and make a duplicate file and name this file as data old. You can name it whatever you want. Then go to your original data folder and then delete all the files. Then go to your old data. Then copy the selected files without phpmyadmin, performance scheme, and MySQL. And make sure select the file data bd1, then copy this, then go to your data, then paste it here. Okay, now you're good to go. Go to your backup folder, then select all the files here without ibdata1, then copy, then go to your data, then paste it here. Yeah, here you go. Now you can check your XAMPP software if it's working or not. Let's click start. Yeah, here you can see our port is running like 3306, so it's not being stopped now. You can see the status detected as running.
Thanks for watching. If you liked today's tips, thumbs up and share with your tech friends. Comment your thoughts, subscribe for more, and stay tuned for the latest tech updates. This is Jubair from WebKey, signing off. Happy teching!